So this is what is left. A guy came today and he picked up 9 birds. So all my hens are gone. So what I have left is are these cockbirds, and surprisingly all of them are almonds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 9 birds. I'm in single digits now. And one of these is a crested. That's a crested cockbird, and he's split for brown. You can see on his tail the brown color. So that's my last crested bird. All these are cockbirds. Homer cockbirds, almonds. Push them out to see them better. There you go. They all went inside. It's kind of raining little by little. You can see all the feathers, they're molting too. Things coming to an end.